So in my previous video, the introduction video, there was a comment asking ki where I have edited that video. Well, the answer to that is Canva. Yes, Canva is my go-to tool. I use it regularly in my business, being a virtual assistant and a social media manager. I use that for my clients' projects, for my own graphics, for making CV, resumes, invoices, business proposal, reels, videos, and a lot more. Canva is being used for many such cases and it has a great impact in my life. As you know, the title of the video says a day in my life with Canva. Yes, as Canva is a part of my life, so I thought why not give it a tribute. So in this video, I'm going to share with you two things. Number one is the usage of Canva in my life. It is going to be a little chit chat session, and second, as asked by that person also in the comment, and many others in my Instagram. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. I will put the link in the description. Alright, so as asked by many others, like how I use Canva in my regular life, so I'm going to put a basic Canva tutorial also. Hey, it's me Shifa, and let's now jump into the topic directly. First of all, you need to go to canva.com. Canva.com. After you go there, you have to sign in and log in. It is pretty much simple as you do in other website. I have my account, so this is the account. After you come over here, this is known as the dashboard. The thing that you are seeing on the screen right now, this is known as the dashboard. We have things on the left hand side, upper side, below. If we scroll, we are going to find all the posts that I have made using Canva. As you can see, there are multiple posts, like this is the portfolio of mine, this is my Instagram post, this is the highlight and all those things. Okay, by the way, this is my free version. I also have a pro version. It is for the agency that I work. I have an agency, so like I work with an agency, and there we use the pro version for our clients' projects and all those things. Okay, so yeah, now let's just switch to my personal space. You can just switch like this. Okay, so if you have any other team, like you can add your team members and all those things, so you can switch your team. You can have multiple team and you can switch whatever is you like. Now let's go to our pro version and let me show you a reel that we made for our client. Where's the reel? Yeah, this one. Yeah, so this is the reel that we made for our client and it's got so viral. By the way, you can just see the behind the scene, like these are all the pages, and if we combine them, it looks like this. This is the final one. Yeah, you may have seen this kind of videos and wondered like how we can make this. All right, but we can make it in a very simple way using Canva. I will also show you afterwards, but now first let go to the introduction video of mine and show you the behind the scene. Okay, so this is the introduction video. You can see there are multiple slides that I have used. Though it takes time, it's like easy, it's simple and easy, but it takes time and also creativity and all those things. Yeah, this was, you can see how many elements I have used in making the video. The background, writings, photos, you can add anything you wish. Yeah, you can also add videos like this. All right, yep. Okay, let's close this tab. So I hope that you got an idea how useful Canva is to me. Now let's make a design, but first let me know that this is a thing where you can find your account details, and on the left hand side you are having all these things like home, templates, projects, brand, team, as I told you, You don't need to see all those things at the beginning. After you start using Canva, you will get it slowly. Now let's make a design. Let's make a reel. Okay, reel, Instagram reel. Alright, this is the thing. A page will come. On the left hand side we have all these things. The first one is known as the template. We can just take any template, click it, and it will come on your page. Okay, now let's go to the element. In element, what you can do is like you can search anything from Canva. Okay, and it will come, it will pop up. Let's search for thread tips, and as you can see there are so many graphics come. Now let's search for freelancing. Yeah, now you can see there are so many graphics, photos, videos, also audio also come in some cases. Alright, now let's take a video. You can see there are so many free videos also. You can just grab and drag and drop this one. Okay, yeah. Now let me delete all the inner writings and all the elements I don't need. Let's make a reel. You can delete like this. Okay, delete. Now I will go to the text section and I will take a box in which I will write whatever I want. I can write. Let's write top 3 skills for Canva designer. Okay, top 3 skills for Canva designer. Yeah, you will know that what are the skills needed for being a Canva designer. Okay, alright. Next we can just adjust this and change the font size, font color, font, anything, whatever you want. Let's make it a bold, and there is a effect section. We can go there and we can put any effect that you want. We are putting this effect, transparency and roundness and spread. You can do it whatever you like. Okay, alright, this one is done. Next, what you can do is like we can just trim the video. We don't need that much video, so we can just trim to 5 seconds. Okay, now we can take another page by clicking on the plus sign, and we have another page. Now let's go to the element and search for another video. We are taking this one. Now we will drag and drop, and then we will set video as background. Okay, now let's trim the video. We don't need this much, so we will be trimming it to 5. Change according to you. Whatever you want, you can change. Okay, now once again we will be bringing the text and write number 1, creativity and concentration. You need some creativeness in yourself, and concentration is necessary for detecting any kind of mistakes and all those. Okay, let's just drag and drop and do as you want. Let me do this. You can check various kind of font. What you like, you can just take. Alright, let me take this one, and I will just change the transparency. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, adjust as you like. Now let's just change the alignment. Okay, center or anything what look good, I will keep that. Yeah, let it be this one. Okay, now the second page is done, but I want a duplicate page. Like I want something similar to the second one, so I duplicated it. And now on the element section I will search for analyze, and let me check if any video comes. All the videos are coming in pro version, but no need to take them. You can get enough video on free version too, just you need to search a little bit more. Yeah, we got this one, so I'm just dragging it and replacing the background. And you can do double tap, and you can just do this thing to adjust the video size and everything. Yeah, it looks great, so I'm keeping this one. Now I will change the writing. research and analyze skill. Yeah, that is also you need in you to do research regarding your company, your brand, and you need to analyze what works, what is working, what is not working. So this is also another trait for a Canva designer. Now I will just once again I will just do this. Okay, trimming the video. Alright, next I will again duplicate the page because I need this kind of similar thing, but I will change the video by searching over in the element. Okay, now I am searching on this understanding, and now I will take a free one. Where is a free one? This one. Okay, let me just take this one. Okay, I will change the trim. Video trimming is necessary according to the song that you want to play. It will sync to your song also. All right, next just write the third one, understanding of basic visual. Yeah, this is the third one. I need to adjust it, and it's the good. Now no, I don't want it to get duplicated. So I will delete it. In fact, I want the last slide to look like the first one, so I will go to the first slide and I will take the duplicate one, and then I will drag and drop till the last. Okay, so drag and drop till the last, and it has come to the last. All right, now I will change the last slide as I want. For more, follow Shifa. change according to you, and yeah, it looks good now. Okay, also I will change the video because I don't want the same video here. So let's just search for more. Let me search for follow. No, there is no video here. Let's search for anything else. Work. And most probably I will get a free one. Yeah, this is the free one. I will drag and drop and I will replace the background, and it has come. So it's almost done. You can now play it and have the final look. Let me play a song for you and check how it look.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and you can trim each section of video according to the song you want to play, and your reel is ready for uploading. By the way, you have another section named upload, where you can upload any images, videos and audio. You can see I have uploaded 2 photos of my friend with whom I have done live the previous week. You have also audio section. You can choose any audio from that. You have a more section also. So yes, all those things are there in Canva. Canva is pretty simple. I will suggest you to use and make a design by yourself, and let me know how was your experience. By the way, I'm going to put the reel that I made today along with you. I'm going to put that on my Instagram. The next time I put a reel, I will be putting that reel. Alright, I hope this was useful to you. Make a reel by yourself and let me know how was your experience.
Alright, I hope this video was useful to you, and I hope you got some clearance on how to use Canva. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel if you find this helpful, and also let me know in the comments what you want next. Thank you.